Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the official center height and laying out tools. This ensures accuracy and avoids backtracking. Once done, slightly release the top cable and unclamp the end clips so you can inspect the net body and cable for frays or broken loops. Make sure to note where the sag is greatest and where the posts may lean, because fixing the cable without addressing post alignment wastes effort. Start correcting the most damaged section first. You now thread the cable through the net sleeve and attach it to the post hardware. This is where evenness matters. Tighten with a turnbuckle or ratchet in small increments, checking center height frequently with a tape measure. This prevents over-tightening that damages fabric. Once tension looks even, step back and visually confirm the net runs parallel to the cord. If one post tilts, loosen tension and correct post alignment before retensioning to avoid a finish by locking end clips and securing knots. Then trim any excess cable so nothing catches during play. You should test the net with a few firm shuttles and by pressing the center to check rebound. This confirms correct tension and rule compliance. If the net still sags or is uneven, inspect the posts for tilt and the cable for hidden frays. Replace the cable or correct post footings as needed, because those are the common root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.